Hi guys, I just woke up and I saw that I have an unboxing to do. I don't know what it is, but it's not heavy at all. We have this. Alright. This is my balancing bird. The one you see over there, the eagle. But this is the one that I ordered for me. Because the other one's my friend's. That one's my friend's. Alright. The packaging. Here's my friend's. It's hand painted. I don't like it. Well, this is the one that I bought. This is the only color that they have that I like. So I don't like. This is my first unboxing that I don't like. It came broken. This right here. It didn't fall on the floor, guys. It came broken. And yeah. It came broken. I don't know if it's used or it's new. But it doesn't look new. The bird does look new in some ways. In some ways, it doesn't look new. Here it is. For some reason, this one looks a little bit heavier. This one looks a little bit heavier than this one. The same thing, guys, as the other videos that I have done. Really glossy texture to it, but it looks to right here that is used. So no feedback for them, and here too. So no feedback for them, and guys, I hope you like my unboxing. Please subscribe.